Welcome to Digital Electronics Playlist. This is Balaji Tripathi, currently working in MLBT EC Vilwada as an assistant professor in electronics department. So now in this session we are going to deal about De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem. So students are having very basic doubt on De Morgan's theorem, and because of that they are unable to solve the problem. So I will tell you in the simple way how to solve the problem, or in the paper of 2 or 3 marks it is generally coming to prove that De Morgan's theorem. So it is very so it has two formula only. We can see that first one is, if A plus B ka whole complement is given, so output will be A complement dot B complement. So this is the first theorem, and second theorem of De Morgan's is A dot B ka whole complement is equal to A complement plus B ka complement. So this is the two theorem which we have seen here. So now we will verify this two theorem, and according to this verification we will prove this. So verification of this. So first we will take this one, A plus B ka whole complement is equal to A complement plus B complement. So suppose I am taking here LHS, this one, and here RHS, this one. So we'll prove this. So listen here. So suppose I am taking the value of A, put A equal to 0 and B equal to 0 in LHS. So when I will put A 0 plus 0 ka whole complement is equal to 0 ka complement is equal to 1. So LHS we are getting 1. So in the same RHS we will put 0 and 0. So here what we have, if we'll put 0 and 0 there, so 0 ka complement dot 0 ka complement is equal to 1 into 1, and that will be equal to 1. So hence proved. So let's suppose I am taking as A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. So suppose I am taking in LHS, I am putting A as 1 and B as 0. So if A will be 1, so 1 plus 0 ka whole complement, so it will be equal to 1 complement, that will be equal to 0. So in that same right HS we are putting A is 1 and B is 0. So A is 1 means 1 bar plus 0 bar is equal to 0 into 1 equal to 0. So hence proved. So we have proved the first theorem here. So now moving on, second proof, that is A dot B ka whole complement is equal to A complement plus B complement. So let's suppose A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. Here LHS and here RHS. So we will write here 0 dot 0 ka whole complement is equal to 0 complement is equal to 1. For LHS we have done. So now in the same thing, same proof, we are writing here RHS. So if we'll write for RHS, what we'll write here is, for RHS we'll write here 0 plus 0 complement is 1 plus 1 equal to 1. So now next second one we'll prove here. Now suppose A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. So 1 plus 0 ka whole complement is equal to 0 ka complement equal to 1. So now in the second part, 1 complement plus 0 complement equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So these are the two theorem which we are seeing here, De Morgan's theorem, which are very important, which are generally coming for the papers, how so that De Morgan's theorem or prove the De Morgan's theorem. So these are the two theorem which are very important. I have done the proof of this theorem by taking, you can also do, you can put A is 1, B is equal to 1, or you can put A is 0, B is equal to 1. So anything you can put and you can simplify this theorem. So I hope you have understand this very well, because this is certainly going to come in the end term paper, how to deal with De Morgan's theorem. Thank you. And it will be necessary for, this theorem is necessary for solving the various problem of the digital electronics. Thank you.